Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me video. I am currently at the Baha Mar Resort and I'm gonna get ready to attend an award ceremony for my husband. So we're gonna get started with skincare, and it's crucial because I was just under the sun for about 2 hours and it's really hot here today and really sunny. So I'm using the Belief True Cream Aqua Bomb. So I'm just gonna apply it everywhere like this. It's just really refreshing on the skin. Just don't forget the neck. Next up, we're gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Stromboli. I'm just gonna apply it directly on my skin like this. It's really light now because I just got a tan, but don't worry, we'll fix that later. We'll make it work somehow. But I'm gonna remove some of it. It's too light. Okay, I think now that's better. Just gonna blend it onto the neck like that a little bit. And then my eyes. Okay, now it's a little bit better, but I will bronze. And I'm just gonna use my favorite. This is the matte bronzer from Benefit. So I'm just gonna go in with this one. I need a lot of it today because I am a little bit darker. Okay, and the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually go in with the blush. We're gonna use this one. This is the Benefit Moon Mini Blush. Out of my makeup bag. We're gonna go ahead with eyebrows. So this is the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I didn't realize I had a lot of Benefit products, but yeah, this is Benefit. So I'm just gonna go in brows. Okay, and then I'm going to try this eyeshadow palette by Natasha Denona. I got this like last Christmas, but I never got to use it. But since my dress is a blue, teal, green dress, I'm gonna use this. So this is what it looks like, and it comes with a small brush. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this color here. Just for the base. Naturally, I'm gonna curl my eyelashes because I don't like to curl my eyelashes when I have a ton of eyeshadow on my eyelids. So I'm gonna do that right now. So going back in with the eyeshadow, we're gonna go ahead with a darker shade, this one. Just a little bit of that, just to add some depth. Okay. Alright, after that, I'm gonna go in with the blue color here. Just gonna dab it on to my eyelid. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit on the bottom too. And then I'm actually gonna add some gold because I'm wearing gold shoes. I'm gonna put that here and here. And then I'm going to wear falsies today. So this is the velour effortless lashes. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the velour lash adhesive. Basically, I'm just gonna wait for a few seconds. On the other side. Now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead with eyeliner. Just put a little bit. And then I'm gonna brighten up my under eye a little bit. So I'm gonna use this Charlotte Tilbury one, the Hollywood Flawless filter. So I'm just gonna put a little bit like this, like that, and on my nose as well, and maybe up here too, and up here, down here. I really like how this one turned out, but this one I need to fix a little bit, I think. So I'm gonna go back with the brush. Okay, and I think that's it. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara just in case my falsies fly away. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. And down here as well. So I think that's it. What I want to do next is highlighter. So this one from Marc Jacobs. Just gonna put it on my nose. And here, down here, and a little bit here, and here. Just to add a little bit of glow. And I'm gonna just blend this a little bit like this. For lips, I'm just gonna use whatever I have, and the only thing that I have on this strip is this one from Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Lash Liquid Catsuit Matte Lipstick in the shade Give Me Mocha. So we're just gonna have to use this one. I actually like it. Alright, so that's it for makeup. Now time to do the hair. Alright, so I've just blow dried my hair using the hotel hair dryer. So now I'm just heating up my T3 wand. So I'm just gonna wait for it to heat up and then we're gonna get curling. So I'm just gonna leave my hair like this. And I'm gonna take the backmost part. I'm gonna take a big chunk of it and I'm gonna start curling away from my face like this. Just gonna let it cool. So I'm gonna push it to the back. I'm gonna repeat the same process for the rest of the hair. Alright, so it actually just took me about 7 minutes to do this hair. So I'm just gonna run my fingers through it to make it look bouncy and not too tight. I'll show you the back. Hopefully that looks good. And that's it for the hair. Now time to get dressed. So this is the beautiful dress that I'm gonna be wearing tonight. It actually matches like the theme of the room. So that's perfect. And this is what my husband is gonna be wearing. So we're gonna be matching. So I'm gonna put that on in just a second and I'll show you guys. Alright, here is the dress. It's from ZARA and the earrings are also from ZARA. This is Badgley Mishka from Saks Fifth Avenue. And my shoes are from PLT. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel for more content like this.